Hello guys, Igor here doing one more Appsumo review today analyzing Contentpace, a tool that claims to boost organizing SEO traffic in minutes with an AI-powered content optimizer. The tool have just arrived on Appsumo. They have 15 positive reviews, and it's a surferseo alternative, neuron writer alternative. You're gonna use the tool to research the best writing, the best blog posts, the best content on the internet, and they will give the whole insight, and then it will guide you to write the best post to aim the first page on Google. So right now they are on Appsumo claiming that you can write an article in 2 minutes, and here you're gonna get all the future team plan updates. Can stack up to 7 codes. With 1 code you get 30 topics per month, 2 codes 60 topics per month, and also the other features as well. And you can go up to 7 codes where you get 1000 topics per month. If you get 1 code, you get the whole features. So the tool is well designed, the deal is well designed. Let's take a look at the tool. So here's Contentpace. Here is my dashboard. On the search settings, you can select your date format, also select your default search region and your default search region. So everything happened here up front. Here on the left, you can upload your image and also use their stock files. So you're going to use that to create your blog posts. On Content Planner, you can add your blog post title and your post keyword to plan to launch in any day. So it's a calendar. So on the audit, you're going to go to any blog. It can be a competitor blog or your own blog. And then you're going to add a link of a blog post, the keyword you are ranking for, also the Google that you want to compare, and the language. This article is in Portuguese. I'm going to type here Portuguese. You can see the whole language that they have here. They have many. And then you click to create the audit report. You can see that they are preparing. Let's see the one that I already have here ready. So the goal of the content audit report is to help you identify your opportunities of improvement and rank higher in Google for your target keywords. So you can see your word count, the readability of your article, keyword frequency, image, headlines, paragraph, title length, and you get a score. Your readability grade, paragraph count, heading count. So for instance, you need to improve here, you need to improve your paragraph count, words in paragraph. They will give you all the data to get to know which kind of feature you need to improve on your article. On topic report, you will just search on Google the whole features of any topic. So let's say you want to search about constitutional law, just type constitutional law, the Google you want, and the language, and click on create report. So let's see a report that I already have here about pragmatic English translation. I'm going to click on report. So you get the average word count on the top 50 organic results. So usually how many words you need to write. The average readability level. So college grades is great. Average keyword frequencies, and then you get the first results on Google. You can click here to view the article. You can see that you can view the article inside the Contentpace. You get the metadata, etc. And I'm gonna get the details of each of the articles. So for instance here, rank 5. So you're gonna get the outlines, the H1. You can have the whole picture of the articles here. You also will get the relevant Quora answers and questions. NLP phrase, top ranking content, but what else? So it's what you get using the content audits, the topic reports. On the content projects, it's where you're gonna create a new project to write. So you add your keywords, Google region, the language. I'm gonna show you the language you can use. You can also add the URL to optimize with a previous article or not. Just create content, and then you create the whole environment with the data you need to rank first on Google. So here's a sample of the Canva, and you can see that you write here. The topics will be divided by paragraph, and you can see your score, your word readability, keywords, image, headings, and paragraphs on the left. And on the right, the phrase you need to aim, the number of times that you need to write that each of kind of those topics, keywords, also the in phrase, in words, and you get on one page suggestions and also a brief. So this is Contentpace. Overall, I think it's a good surferseo alternative. Just get to know more about that on AppSumo. I have added the best link in the description where you can get the best price, getting to know more about that geo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.